welcome to my channel. So we'll discuss the concept of random variable. A variable is always changeable, adaptable, inconsistent, indeterminate, and not constant. So a variable always varies. It is not fixed. It is something that takes different values. For example, prices. Prices are different at different time. Then it varies from place to place or even according to qualities. Similarly, cost varies. Then profits also varies under different situations. Income varies from person to person, from state to state. And similarly, import and export, etc. So the word random implies arbitrary, chance, casual, unplanned, or unsystematic, etc. In case of random variable, generally probabilities are assigned to each element of set of events of a probability function. A specific numerical value is assigned to each element of the set of events. Function which assigns these numerical values is termed as a random variable. So the values of random variable is unknown till the event occurs. So before occurrence of the event, the value of the random variable is unknown. Now variables may be dependent or variables may be independent. Suppose Q is the function of K, that means if Q is a production of a commodity and K is capital, then at different levels of capital applied in the production process, the production Q will go on changing. So Q depends on K. So Q is a dependent variable and K is an independent variable. And output Q will vary with the variation in the capital level K. So it is random and not fixed. So it is never fixed that only this much capital should be applied and this much output will be produced. So it is not that. So according to different situations, because there are so many endogenous and exogenous factors which will influence on production along with the input. So it is never fixed and it is random in nature. And output depends on capital. So level of quantity produced, say Q, will depend on the levels of input used, suppose capital. So let's say quantity of output Q produced and input level, that means capital. So when capital is K1, suppose some amount we have applied, then production we have obtained is Q1. So when you have changed the capital level, quantity of output will be changed like this. So on up to different levels of capital applied, So when it is Kn, capital level is Kn, quantity produced is Qn. So Q is a random variable. It is dependent on K. So when a die is tossed, event A may be occurrence of 1 or 2. Suppose phase 1 may come or 2 may come. In set notations, using random variable x as Sx inclusion A. So if you remember the set theory we discussed. So x is the element of the event A. So probability of event A can be shown as this. Probability of A is equal to probability of x inclusion A. Now probability of either A or B occurs. It is a real valued function in sample space. So probability of A union B, so it is either A or B, A union B is equal to probability of X, which will be included in A union B. So this is the simple concept of a random variable. Thank you very much for watching. Keep on watching. Thank you.